another piece of here. This is another piece of Schindler. That's more better condition than the other one. This one is installed in 2006. It says on the thing. Alright, go up. It says also have my antibacterial touches things on here. Oh crap. Close. Hi. Sorry, no, I'm taking a picture of the elevator if that's okay with you. Let's go up one more time. To prove how that's obviously. Alright. Right. Or close work this time, which obviously doesn't, it's faking. And there was supposed to be another panel right here, but they didn't choose not to. I think I was the first one to film this one. There it goes. Nope. Only one family at a time. And to cancel digital. No, we have.